everybody, welcome back to my channel, Angel Liz. So today, you guys, I'm coming to you with a quick grocery haul. I'm actually starting to juice, and so I just wanted to show you guys what I have. Now, keep in mind, I'm not saying that I'm committing to juicing 100%, that I'm going on a juice fast. I'm not saying any of that. But I do know that there are benefits to juicing and to eating more fruits and vegetables and cutting out some of the stuff. As some of you may know, I've recently been trying to cut back on dairy. Not saying I cut it out, but I have cut back on it a lot. And it has been helping with mucus buildup because I have asthma, and a lot of people who are asthmatic will attest to what I'm saying. When you eat too much dairy, it can be very hard on your breathing. So let's get into this haul. Okay, you guys, so this is everything that I got, and this came from Walmart. I decided to get a big bag of spinach because I do juice the spinach, but I also eat it. I have some celery, and I have some celery in the refrigerator that's organic, that actually has the leaves on it because I do juice the leaves. I got a bag of Gala apples, another bag of green apples because I did juice all of the ones that I had left last night. I got 2 bags of organic whole carrots. I got bananas. Of course, you don't really juice the bananas, but I do use them in smoothies. I got a couple mangoes. Now, let me take the mango out. I don't know why I didn't take the stuff out the bags. So these are pretty green. They're pretty hard, so I'm gonna have to let those ripen up. I did get some cucumbers, some mini cucumbers. I gotta juice those immediately because they go bad so fast. I got a bag of oranges. You see that? California navel oranges. This is a 4-pound bag. And I got a bag of frozen strawberry banana blend because I do make smoothies. I also got beets, certified organic beets. And I got a little acai bowl. It's a Dole bowl. Let me see. And this comes frozen, so I guess I gotta let it unthaw. 210 calories, serving size is 1 bowl. And I just got that just to snack on because, you guys, I'm really trying to do a little bit better with eating. And of course, I got a couple things of water. Here's my juicer. I took it apart because I need to clean it so that I can juice all this stuff I have. If you follow me on Instagram, you'll see yesterday I posted juice. So yeah, and I have a bunch of stuff over there on the counter, some jars and mixing bowls and stuff that I need to put away. So yeah, so that's pretty much everything that I need to juice. I have mason jars that I just bought. I got a set of 6 mason jars. Let me show you guys. Okay, so these are the 16-ounce mason jars that I got. And like I said, they came in a set of 6, and so that's what I'll be storing my juice in and putting it in the refrigerator in those jars. I have a container that I juice and put everything in, but I prefer to keep it in glass because plastic has a tendency, no matter how much you rinse it, to me, it can still come off a little soapy. So we don't want to have soap taste in our juice. So in my juice, I don't want my juice tasting like soap. So yeah, you guys, that's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm juicing. I have some tomatoes that I'm going to be adding to the carrot juice. I'm going to do a carrot, tomato, orange, and ginger. I'm a color person, so I think when I mix a lot of stuff together and it looks kind of strange, I don't want to drink it because I have a dark juice that's like kale and dark berries, and it's good. It tastes really good, but the color just is off for me. So I'm definitely going to work on what fruits and vegetables I mix together to keep the color. I like vibrant colors, so I don't want it to be looking all muddy and nasty. But anyways, you guys, I hope that this video finds you well. I hope that everybody is doing okay. There's so many different people out there that you can be following that gives you these tips. July Wellness, for one, she has a great channel, and she definitely gives you great tips on juicing. She has a lot of great juice recipes on her Facebook page. I believe she posts them on Instagram as well. On Facebook, she is Herbalist July. So I'll definitely link her channel in the description box below. But you guys, I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here, and thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, please give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe, hit the bell to be notified. Drop me a comment and let me know, if you're juicing or if you're just trying to make small changes. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.